Hello guys, welcome to my new series of installing Arch until I find a girlfriend, and it's actually a second try because my disk space was low and my recording just stopped, and the file was corrupted. So I kind of inspired from existing series on YouTube, and it's actually called the same, and I really like it, so we are going to do the same. And let's be okay. So I don't like that on the QEMU KVM you have disk called VDA. I don't know how to even change that, so I guess we have to live with it. And yeah, so let's quit. XT for the VDA2. FS 32 VDA1. Okay. Mount def VDA2 MNT. Mount make directory def VDA1 MNT boot. And now ref lecture. And our internet repositories are okay. Base. Yes, base. Linux, Xen, Linux, firmware, network manager, fast, grab, fi, boot, mgr. Is it everything? I guess. Let's packages fail to Linux firmware. Okay. And yeah, my internet is actually not that bad. Okay, now let's try to generate a FSTAC. U, M, and T, and those arrows, M and T, etc. FSTAC. Now it probably should work. And how to install grab? Was it like dev? Oh, maybe let's see how our, okay, it's VDA. So grab install the VDA. Warning, the GPU partition label contains no bias boot partition. Oh, it was like target or something? Oh, it was EFI directory boot. Grub can be installed in the step by using block lists. However, block lists are unreliable under use is discouraged. Will not proceed with blacklist. Oh my goodness. I think that back then I was using command like target x64 EFI. Oh, not EFO, maybe EFI. Target. There dash and there equals to. Oh my goodness. Okay. EFI variables are not supported on the system. Let's actually check that. Oh, BIOS. How do you install grub on BIOS? Let me see. Grub wiki. And okay. So secure boot BIOS systems. BIOS boot partition is required. Grab and score image. Okay. Installation. Okay, that's the target. Then I copy it. Okay, I cannot. So let's rewrite this. Grab install target equals to, what was it like? E386 PC. E386 PC. And dev VDA. This GPU contains no BIOS boot partition. I think that it somehow cannot like see my boot partition, but it's actually there. I don't know what's wrong. BIOS boot partition. Okay, so it's like MBR exclusive to like non-BIOS system, or is GPT exclusive to EFI systems? I guess it is. So I think we need to restart, then switch to EFI, or like switch our partition table, but I don't really want to do that. Okay, let's shut it down. And now, how do I change my... Oh, I think I need to like create my my virtual machine. Oh yeah, delete, but don't delete that. How do I keep it? I don't want to delete it. Maybe let's delete it from right there. Yeah. And now delete this machine. Yes. Okay, create a new one. Yeah. ISO. So that's the ISO. Let's give it some more RAM. 8 max, 8 cores. Is there any disk created? Yes, that's it. There are two actually. Is one of them like a backup or something like that? That's a backup. And that's I don't know what it is. I don't even know what it is. I think that I will just delete everything and just leave the ISO. Yeah, now creative volume 20 gigs, let's say. Yeah, create, choose, yes, and yeah, customize. Okay, so now I can change it to UEFI. It is my it is, and boot from the CD-ROM right there. Maybe. Okay, let's do it right like this. Start install. Okay, it boots right now. Oh, it took me some time, but it works right now. And I think there is like there is a way to check if my system is actually using UEFI. R3 install guide. Okay, so verify the boot mode. Okay. How can I pin it? Like this? Oh, so I guess I have to do it like that. It's a little weird, but it's okay. Sys firmware EFI FW platform size 64, and that means that it's UEFI and 64-bit. Okay, that's cool. Let's close that and let's install it all over again. PDA GPT 500 Max. No, space new. Right, yes. Quit macfs fat dot fat f42 dev vda1 macfs axt4 dev vda2. Yes, I meant that. Okay, so now mount dev vda2 to MNT, and then mount make directory dev vda1 to MNT boot. And now check the repositories. Okay, it works, and backstrap MNT at MNT etc. What else? Linux Zen, Linux firmware, network manager. Fast fetch, grab fi boot mgr. I guess that's everything. I didn't type base, but guess it will be okay. What does the group base give us? Base package Linux. It's minimal foundation for the operating system. Base. Texture any core. It's like the core package element of Arch Linux install. Many things require it. Oh, Pacman requires it. That's bad. I think I need to install it. But first we need to generate FS stuff. Okay. Generate FS stuff here mnt arrows mnt etc arch-ch-root mnt. Now let's actually install the base package. Oh, there's no pacman. Is it because there is no base? I guess that's because there is no base. But it might work, I guess. Arch install. Oh, what arch grab install? Grab install. Let's use my old command right now. 8664 EFI directory boot. Okay, now it works. And now grab make config-o root grab config. Yeah, okay. Systemctl enable network manager pass wd exit and reboot. I wish it will be working right now. Yes, it does work, but we don't really have pacman, and that's bad. No one is really going to use this system, so either way. Root password fast fetch. Okay, thank you guys for watching this 19-minute video, and yeah, see you tomorrow.